Alright, well hello, I'm Chris, and this is going to be my 70 through 72 Chevelle door video. I'm going to show you how to disassemble this door the correct way to get everything out real easy. Now this is a typical situation where we're missing parts for the door lock, but whenever we reassemble it on this one right here, we're going to go through everything. Hopefully I have everything to completely assemble it. So don't get mad whenever we're taking it off. We're not going to look at every little piece, but we will when we put it back together. Okay, so the point is we need to go through everything, clean everything, re-grease it, and just inspect all the parts on our windows so that everything works like a brand new car when we put it back together. First of all, we want to get the glass out. It's got 3 bolts. We're going to mark the position with the paint so that when we take it off, we'll know where to reposition this glass. Push it. Okay. Be careful, it's got these 2 adjustments. Okay, so now we're going to mark all the little pieces 1, 2, 3, 4 so we don't mix them up when we put them back on. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1.5, sorry. So what 1 looks like. It's for the door panel. .5. Make sure that's not metal. Now this one's kind of like a combo deal. Make sure it's not touching metal. Alright, yeah, like that. Then this, you can see 3, it's the stop. 4. But like I said on this one, we already have the little locks out of the doors, and we're missing a bunch of linkage. So on this one, just get all your locks and crap off. The best way to do it is to unloosen the latch. We're gonna loosen the handle, drop it all in there, and take the clips off from inside. Go ahead and loosen this. Right here. Just make a note the direction it goes in. Get the latch off. It can be very difficult to get the latch off. Just remember to use the big Phillips. You might want to hammer these in. You'll probably end up drilling one out. I've already undid them, but you get what I'm saying? You would move this right there where you can see the clips, because it's real easy to break those clips off. So drop it all out, remove clips where you can see them. See, this one's missing clips. It doesn't even have any clips on it. Oh yeah, it does. Okay, 1 clip. We'll go through the clips when we're putting them back together though. Let's just get this out, make a note of the way it was in there. I want to go ahead and take this off, slide it out of the track. So get it where you can see it. Undo this. Alright. Last piece is this, and there's a bolt at the bottom, a nut. Shit. Alright, well that's how you do it. That's how you correctly do everything. You mark it so that when you go back and put it in there, you know exactly where it is. So the main thing is to take the glass off. That's the most important part, but mark it on those factory positions. This whole job took me 20 minutes. Now I gotta go clean all those parts, clean all this crap out of this freaking door. Alright, so this is just disassembly. Okay, so I will be doing the assembly of everything after everything's been cleaned, but not in this video, so just wait, look for that video in the future. We'll be putting this thing back 100% where it'll last another 45 years. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you like the video.